Divorce and family matters are never just legal matters. They affect your finances, your children, and your future. In times like these, having clear legal guidance can make all the difference. Family law covers everything from separation, child maintenance, children's contact, visitation, parental plans, and much more. Whether your matter is uncontested or it may involve difficult and complex disputes, we guide you through every step with clarity, strategy, and care. We help you protect your rights, secure fair financial outcomes, and ensure arrangements surrounding your children's well-being. Where possible, we encourage mediation and alternative dispute resolution options in order to reduce conflict, while remaining ready to act decisively when needed. Early advice is key, and the decisions you make today will have a massive impact on your future. At VDM Attorneys, we help you move forward with confidence and support. Contact us today.